Okay, so here's the vacuum cleaner. It's pretty heavy. The cable also. So it has a 12-volt plug. I don't see any fuse in it. Okay, so that's the hose itself. You have to disconnect it from this part. It has a small holding element here and another one here. So just lift it up. That's the cylindrical, has to enter here like so, and that small thing has to enter there like so. So I tend to open it from this part. Okay, now let's analyze it. That's the power button, which is basically pushing a little thing on this side, on the left side. It's pushing it down, so the switch is here. Notice if I move it, it's pushing down an element here. Okay, the other one is for taking off this central part. When you push it down, you have to rotate the central part to the right. So now it's open, now it's closed, and then pull it out. That thing, the red one, enters here. So when it passes that little thing and enters here, it's locked. When you push down the red button, then it can go down and to the right in this case. That thing is pushing the switch. Now let's see this part. So here's the switch. Now it's on, now it's off. This small thing is holding the entire hose. By the way, the hose is pretty heavy and it's very flexible. Heavy. Okay, this one is for attaching these nozzles. It has a central opening there that has to go on top of this one. So open it and it entered. If you put it this way, then this small opening is for the air, so it can enter somewhere and the air will not be totally blocked. And the other one is the same, it's shorter and it has a brush. You have to pull it up from the side, let's say. Now it's deforming and it's opening. It jumps back into there and you can use it, push it down. The same thing, this one also has an opening, so when you put it in contact with the surface, it can still draw some air through there. Okay, this is, as I saw in other videos, it's almost totally empty. This is a stand. Here's the electric motor. It's a simple brushed motor, DC motor. And here's the exhaust. It also has a filter. You cannot really access that filter unless you remove the screws. It's a foam. Let's see this part also. So that's the on-off switch. That's a handle. The air enters here. You can open this small door by pulling it to the right, to the outside. It can be easily opened. Okay, it has a rubber seal, so it will seal this edge. Push it in to close it and lift it up to open it. It's blocked there. Okay, it has a filter. The dirt itself will enter here into this zone. Now it's nice and clean and transparent, but after using it, it will be dirty. It has a filter. You can either remove it from the inside or it has a handle. You need some nails for that. You can remove it from there also. This one is held only by these tiny things on the side. By the way, it's open. It has this plastic mesh for larger particles. Okay, and this one is washable. You can place it under water. You can clean this one with water also. This can be rotated in any direction. It has these plastic things which might block it. Just push it in and that's it. Remove and insert. If it's not inserted, then the dirt can enter there. So push it in. Well, Let's close it and let's insert it back finally. So take a look at this part. This small section has to enter into this one. So first place this one next to the button so that it can enter, and then twist it to the left. That's it. So push it down and twist it to the right and it comes out. This thing has to enter there to the larger one and then down there. That's it, and the hose goes down there and the cylindrical there, both of them, and that one there. It uses 12 volts DC, 6 amps, that's quite a lot. PD1200AV, that's the model, it's visible here also. So in order to remove the hose you have to push in this and the other one, and then you can insert the hose onto that plastic, so the flexible hose onto this plastic part. You have to remove the dirt from here, like so, and then close it. You can remove the filter, you can wash the filter, you can wash the plastic circular part also without the motor, so you have to remove it. The cable is pretty long and heavy, it has more than 2 meters, much more. Let's try it first from a plug inside the car. Maybe this will reduce the amperage, plus it might also blow the fuse of the car. This car, the fuses are here in this box. So let's see how it sounds here. Nothing. Power it on. Now let's remove it from the car's plug and insert it into this one. This is pulled straight from the battery. Let's see how it will sound in this one. So this one is worst. It allows less amperage. Okay, so I have a cable here, there, and it comes here. It's not even warm. Just take care not to open the door. Now the vacuum cleaner's here. I have a small multimeter. The connection is not the best at all, but let's see the amp consumption. Around 5 amps, almost 5. Take a look at the sound. So now we have thin wires. That's the sound through thin wires, and that would be through thicker. So it's consuming more than 5 amps. It says that it consumes around 6 amps. So this thin wire is reducing the amperage. So So this was a bit warm, especially the metal. I could hold my hand on it. It was not burning, but it was definitely warm. Let's see the cleaning part. As you open it, it falls down. The dirt falls down. Not much dirt here. Fine dust. So this transparent plastic will not be transparent at all. The dirt will make it opaque.